Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the Hemoxian Dragon Call model kit, and this is one of the nice Hemoxian kit that I got, and I'm very curious about this kit. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Dragon Call Hemoxian has to offer us collectors. By the way, I bought this kit together with my wife at 168 Mall Divisoria way back August 2025. Yeah, so let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. Found your los kits. So the box art here shows this kind of box art, and we can see the Dragon Call Naraka Bladepoint. So this, I think this is a video game, if I'm not mistaken. So the Naraka Bladepoint. So this Dragon Call Yeshuan or Yushan, yeah, Yushan, and you can see the box art is really nice, where this Mecha is emitting this kind of flame particles, and there we got this flame effect on its back, and it wields the spear. I don't know what kind of spear is that. Anyway, it's really nice. So this is the Hemoxian, and there's this Chinese character here which I cannot read. I think this is also a design by Yoshiyuki Tomino, if I'm not mistaken, so correct me if I'm wrong. So this is a mecha that is a collaboration by Tomino, okay, from Chinese gamers, or the Naraka Bladepoint. So if we look at the side of the box, we can see the very nice appearance of this kit. So there we got this basic mode here. There we got the blades attached on the back. It's a very nice backpack here, and there we got this spear action mode here. There's a spear, okay, very cool looking spear there. Okay, so the appearance of this kit is really cool. And the other side of the box, we can see the flame effect, and we got this very nice, beautiful, magnificent action-based stand, which looks like a dragon, and there you go, all the flame parts attached on the kit. So it's up to you whether you use the flame effect as a back accessory, or instead use it as the weapon like that. So the flame effect weapon. So let's go with the box here. So we got here this kind of box protector. There we go. It's called Dragon Call Naraka Bladepoint. There, it's the appearance. It looks like a Gundam, by the way. And let's go with the instruction manual. Instruction manual shows this kind of stance. So very cool. Flame effect on, and then we got this sword and poses. Very nice poses. Okay. Okay, we go with the parts list. So it got so many parts, and we got this action-based stand. We got this decals here. Okay, so the action base got so many parts included on the kit, which is very nice. Okay, there you go. And the assembling process of this kit is not so hard, if I'm not mistaken, or if I'm going to judge the appearance of this manual. This is not that hard to build. Okay, that's it. So the pages of the manual is really thick. Yeah, it's really thick. Very nice. And there you go. Okay. So let's move on with the parts. So we got this flame effects attached on this protector cardboard. There we got the blades, we got the fire here. Okay, cool fire effects, beam saber effects, which is very nice. I really like the clear plastic parts of Hemoxian. It's really thick and sturdy. This is what I admire with the Hemoxian. There we go. Let's go with the parts here. We got gray parts for the inner frame and the nice plastic packaging of the Hemoxian. Then we got the small flame parts or fire parts. Okay, there. We got red parts here. Other red parts and some gold parts. Then we got white parts. White parts here for the armor pieces. Red parts for inner frames. Okay, white parts, and there we got this inner frame parts. We got this blue flame effect parts. Okay. And we got those protected pieces here. Okay, very cool. Inner frame parts for the gray parts. And this white parts again. Then hands. And for the action bases, there we got those action base parts. But I am not sure if I will use this. Okay, so there. And we got this gold and connector parts. Got stickers, 4 slide beagles, then foil stickers, blue foil stickers. Okay, and the extra pieces for those flame effect. Okay, and how to attach those bits. So there. These are all included. Okay. So let's go with the parts here. So this is runner A. We got 2 sets of runner A for the gray parts. Then we got runner H2 for the red parts. Runner H1 for the red parts again. Okay. Then we got this maroon colored runner for runner G2 and runner G1 for this gold runners. We got runner H2 again, so we got 2 sets of runner H2. Actually, the plastic is really nice, and yeah, the plastic quality is in par with the Bandai model. Then we got this runner B1 for these joint parts. These are all gray. Then we got white parts for runner F. Runner E for the white parts. We got 2 sets of this. So runner E for the white parts. Then we got this manipulator, runner B2. Then we got this runner C for the gray parts. And we got 2 sets. No, it's not 2 sets, but this one is runner D. We got runner I2. And we got this runner G3 for the red parts, and finally we got this runner I1 for this light gray parts. So for the effect parts, I didn't open yet because I don't like to mess around with this kit. So see you next time on the finished build. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studios, and thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the Dragon Call.